passenger call me. So when we pick her up, she come in her car and she laugh. And she say, Robert, I said, today my lucky day. So I say, what happened in the supermarket? And I buy some little things for my daughter. So this brother come across to me and start talk to me. You know, we did that talk little, but I not pay no mind. When I reach at the teller and I cash me things, the man still talk to me for my number. You want my number? You want my number? All right, fine. If you can't pay for this, me give you my number. Knowing say the man serious, the cashier check everything. She said it come up to $11,556. She said the man just take out him card. Yeah, look on the man, so wipe it. $11,500. She never have no choice. She have to give the man the number. From 2-3 days now pass. The girl called me and we're gonna pick her up again. And she said, yo, Robert, I the same brother who I tell you about, I him mega link, you know. And I said, yeah, you gonna link him? She said, yeah man, him tell me to come check him at my yard. Saying to me, say, okay. That means say, you gonna give him some then. She said, Robert, what you say? You don't know me, man. You don't know me. So I said, all right, but if you got a man house, most likely man go want things. She said, Robert, just ease yourself, man. You don't know me. So we reach at the gate. She said, Robert, 20 minutes time, come back. I said, 20? She said, yes, 20 minutes time, come back because, see, me not staying a long time. I come out. Give me $1,000. Go back. Go pick her up now. I'm a reach. I'm a pop, pop. Blow the hand. Quick time, me see she come out. And the brother come out. Him not have on a shirt. Him only have on a shorts. So I say, bombard. Him get it. And she still in her car and me drive off. So I look at him and say, yes, man. The man, take it. She said, Robert, you hear that, you know? The girl go in her purse, see? And take out 2 ketchup. You know the KFC ketchup them? 2 ketchup. And she said, Robert, I this I put on my underwear. I said, what? Robert, when we go in our bathroom, I just tear it and sprinkle it on my underwear. I'm going to go out there, you know, I start giving him a lovey-dovey. And then I rotted my period, can't do nothing. And I carry him there, I say, come on, it just start, man, it just start. She said, no, I can't do it next time. And the brother bite, you know. Yo, followers, the brother bite. They like it. Like it. Boom. She give me a grand, see? And I said, just start, that girl that good, you know. Anyway, she called me Friday night, come. See, we need a pickup. So I pick up now. Girl come to the car and she said, boy, Robert, him say, I want to sleep with me, you know. And him say, I want to give me $50,000. And I said, $50,000? And so that means you're going to give him for that then. She said, Robert, if we can find a way to go around it, I go around that. I not give anybody my punash, so. See? I'm mad. So, I say, all right, let me see how you are going to get out of this. So anyway, pick him up, go KFC, and we are going and put in this road. The girl look on him and say, hey, we need to pay the driver before him go away, you know. The brother say, oh, all right, come and go. I want gas station. So I pull up at one gas station, the brother give her the card and tell her, say, one go draw the money. And the brother tell her him PIN number. He go in the machine, maybe 2 minutes stops, come back out and say, machine not working now. Alright, come go on next machine. We drive, go on next machine. She go in the machine, she in there a little longer this time. She come back out and say, boy, the machine not work. So she kind of upset and say, but oh, the machine them not work. Here what? Come go down Nago head. The brother in the car with she. The black bag with the draw strip. With the draw, you know. So anyway, when we reach at the gas station now, see, she give him the card. I said, you go and go check your man. I'm tired, go and go check. So the brother come out of the car. And she said, Peter, carry a bag, man, carry a bag. And just take up him bag and go in the machine. See? He says him lock the door. The girl lock the door. I said, Robert, drive. Drive, Robert. So, we turn to her, so she said, Robert, drive. Start the car. By the time I go drive out of the gas station, guys, say, my car, drive off. So the brother fly the machine door, run out, and I say, hold on, driver. See? And when he must say, hold on, you know, she said, Robert, drive the car, drive. See? So I say, backside of what is now. They gotta laugh. I say, I want. See? She said, Robert, I hear that. Saying, oh, him can't get my coochie. I say, I want. Because of them now, I don't know why, I know my subscribers, I don't know what, my followers, I don't know what. Take out some money. Followers, the girl withdraw $90,000 from the brother account and give him the card and tell him he must go check. Because when she go in the machine them the 2 times, the girl draw money, give him the card and tell me if I drive. The girl go with the man $90,000. Yo! Jaja! I look upon her and I say, Bumbleclad! Girl, you're good! And that me have to say, you're good! See? And he might call the phone, and she not answer. See, and she say, Robert, me done with him, man. I block and delete. See? And I met me, I said, no, sir. That girl is serious. See? Anyway, me drop her home. She give me a change. Me drive off and me say, yo, followers, subscribers, you have some serious girl on the road, you know. See? Me knows a brother they see her. He probably kill her.
Trouble.
Yo, Jaja, yo, taxi work, I have seen and I have heard some things. Some things when me hear and some things when me see, me can't make a video with it. Trust.
Yeah, man. Welcome back to the channel, look, Gabidan Family TV. Yeah, man. So, yeah, man. So we decided to go share some videos. Man and woman drama. Yeah, man. Some stories, you know. Yeah, man. Boy, I tell you, that one that was actually epic, peeps. Tell you the honest truth. You know. Yeah, man. You have someone out there where really serious and kind of weird. So the man make an attempt. This on the video. The man make an attempt to get to the woman, spending money on all of these things. And a big style. And the man get better. So this person is actually he's a taxi operator. Yeah, man, and he actually kind of give a story based on what actually transpired. Yeah, man, but them think they are wickedness anyway still, you know. But I am putting himself in the position anyway still wearing. But them think they're gonna really reach him. Yeah, man, because you can't use money to get woman, tell you the honest truth. You know, you have to get style. You see me? Yeah, man, better you just approach and say, boy, nice lady, you know, so I like you and thing, I can really take you out on a date and try to get to know her and all of these things. So it's like I'm money. So the woman actually see an opportunity where she can get a thing off her, man. That at the end of the result, you know? Yeah, man, there's a reaction after that anyway still, you know? Yeah, man, you know. But, yeah, just I go through a few videos based on what I actually mentioned earlier. Man and woman touring. Yeah, man, everybody like a bit of somebody touring sometime, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, going on some people business. Not them business, but yeah, man, some people life story, you know, you have to really kind of laugh still. Yeah, man, oh, that's how that way, that's true. Yeah, man, bless you by yourself, man. Alright, so I'm actually going to play another video Man and woman to worry, we just kind of just react on it. See me, just a reaction, I'm a reaction anyway still, you know? Yeah, man, bless up on yourself, man. Alright, so this is it, peeps.
So Karen, now that Sean is your husband, right? Why you still have ants in the milk? Why?
In those when you have sex with me, you see, in do it harder, I may tell him so no, they can't do it hard, because I have the favorites.
Hold up. So you still have sex with ants even though you're with your husband?
Him call out me husband and I give him money and then kind of same thing there.
How?
And I give him drink and food.
So he give your husband money and then he have sex with you?
Yeah.
So Sean, are you okay with ants?
I give him a special rum and then kind of same thing there. But me again say my Christian. I tell me about Christian drink.
So,
No,
Sean,
some people say me can drink it, but not for drunk.
okay, so Sean, why you still making ants dealing with your wife?
Right? Me don't know if he say me have to just hold it. No, well, at the time, me something never turn up at the time, you know, so that's why.
In week.
What week?
No, peeps. No, that not really sound right still. Tell you this truth. Right, boss? Why, it could perform at the moment. Eh? No, that's something really laugh about still. Eh? Jado, brother, answer your milk. Eh?
So Karen, so Sean was standing up.
No.
So that's
1 month.
He get the proper.
1 month and a half now, he something never turn up, that's why I
He
can't.
didn't get the proper mixture, so that's why.
I mean, never had no blender, no light at the time.
So you never blended them, so that's why you couldn't stand up.
Yeah.
So I saw that Karen make you some strong roots. Now we can stand up, Karen.
Yeah, you can stop right now.
Yeah.
So now you're not going back to ants.
No.
So now that your husband stand up, you don't need to go back to ants.
No.
So you have to continue to make the punch and everything.
Then me give him some.
He come over me yard today,
Some
no.
rice and peas and chicken.
Ants come over me yard, you know.
Today,
And me tell him, say, ants come over me yard.
Mm-hmm.
So me tell him, say, oh, sir, the landlord for the place. We are come ask for rent and saying, no put back out next side over there. Because he is a madman, he don't want a strange man over there.
Okay.
No care no man and no man over there. That he tell me yesterday.
Yeah, he tell me yesterday too.
Yeah.
Tell me that too.
So Karen, so I'm gonna go back to
Me ban him from come back over there.
Current time.
So Karen, are you planning? So you're gonna stop having ants around completely, or you're still gonna have sex with ants? What are you gonna do?
I'll stop him from this because he might get control.
He's getting to control him.
Can't call it for.
But now that Sean could stand up, I think you should get rid of ants now because Sean can stand up now. So
Yeah.
and he doesn't have no more problem. He always standing up.
Yeah, he's standing up.
All right. So I think
I give meat.
up to today you make the punch for him, right?
Yeah.
All right. So Sean, I'm glad that you could stand up now, and then ants don't have to come in the way. All right.
Yeah.
So Karen, keep making the punch for Sean.
Strong rum punch him get, you know.
Yeah.
Me get I'll put rum in it and you know the food punch, the peanut,
Yeah, everything.
Everything. Red label wine.
Red label wine, you know.
When me look on her, me say, oh yeah.
So Karen, a while ago you say ants used to go too hard, right? So now that Sean stand up, Sean is perfect, or he go too hard also, or he's perfect.
Perfect, right?
All right. You feel it now.
Yeah, but me that man like it, me not like do it too hard for her. Me no quarrel away them. Me no come like some man where want to do it and well want to kill him.
You know, I the fried rights in my belly.
Okay, so he's taking time with that. I like
just
that.
take time.
Take time.
So Sean, I want to...
Stab it up hard like my animal.
Yeah, me can't do it.
You have to take your time and make love.
Me just want to do it.
All right.
Because me tell all well say a good man should do it. Me not that person with quarrel. Me never born as a quarrel person. Me decide say me want change. That February me born. Born 1984 a leap year me born. And a good man currently.
June. Me born the 25th of June.
Oh, I'm the 10th of June. So you're Gemini. So you born what date you born, Sean?
Leap year me born on the last date of February 1984. A leap year me
Don't tell me born on total full year.
Not time full day night. Leap year. I'm talking people about time full day.
So Sean, I have only 3 more.
Actually, your baby, you know.
Yeah. So Sean, I have 3 more.
Yeah, man. I mean, I saw me and my baby make you could do it. I mean, I know cuss, you know. That's all.
All right. So we're gonna wrap.
We just live good, yeah.
So I have 3 more questions for you, and then we play the game, and that's it. We almost finished the interview, but before.
Yeah, man, man, to worry, brother. Yeah, man, that is it, you know. All right, so this video is actually about Sean and Karen. I think they're actually on social media, Facebook. I think they actually are on YouTube as well. Yeah, man, Sean and Karen. Yeah, man, very funny couples. Yeah, man, but that was actually kind of a funny moment for me. Yeah, man and woman, Tory. Yeah, man. So I just hope you actually enjoy the video so far, peeps. Yeah, man. Just do the right thing, you know. Just give the video a thumbs up. Yeah, man. At the same time, you know, you can leave a comment as well based on what you think about the video. Yeah, man. So just go along, see me. That was actually kind of funny still. You know, ants in your milk, you know. Why you have to take bad things be last till you have one, till you have this truth. Yeah, man. So we have one more video we are actually gonna go through. Yeah, man. Where this young lady is actually gonna share a bit of her story. Yeah, man. Man and woman story, you know. Yeah, man. We're just gonna pick some people business and just hear them experience a little bit. So that way, that's you. Yeah, man. Bless up on yourself, man. All right. So here you go, guys.
The last night, I said me I work at one club. One of my friends said, I should not really go back to Jamaica. Because you know when you go to small island, you can't stay in the people in the country for more than 6 months. I said me I go back to Jamaica. My friend them said them not go back to Jamaica. Them book them ticket go to Virgin Island because them know one man will own one of the artist club them over there and I let them have to go. Me never did not say you even need visa for go to such country. So when them give me the man number now, you know you have to send your picture and everything. Send my picture to show me how the man look. The man fall in love with me instantly. When me and the man upon the video call, I never see the man full body anything. I always half a face. But no, through me I talk to the man, me not really think so if I tell the man if I show me him whole full body. Because me here the man rich at him own multiple clubs over there. So me not really focus on him whole entire look. But just focus on what me I see on the screen. The man said me too cute for working a club. Him no want me working a club. Me say, well, too bad for you because some I rent up a pay at Jamaica and me need money. The man said, listen, I'm going to send you back to school. We are going to talk, I'm going to send you back to school, I'm going to take you out of the club. You see the club with me own in a Virgin Island, I'm not going to allow you to come and work in here. You're a beautiful girl. Me I send you to school, I will take care of you until we get your visa because your visa not take for getting in one day. Him say he want to see me before we go back to Jamaica. Alright then. Mr. Me not believe the man. Come here say, boy, the amount of man we go through and all of this blood. Me come a point to me just not believe no how them stay. When you look, me if I go back to Jamaica, say about 1 week after, so me never buy my ticket yet. When you look, the man buy me my ticket because me never have the visa for go Virgin Island. So, and true, him live a Virgin Island, so the only way we did I go meet, and it's closer, him say we for meet to Antigua. So he must fly go to Antigua. Me go fly go to Antigua. We spend about 2 weeks at one hotel there. Get to know each other and then we fly back at Jamaica. My little heart did a pump in my chest because me don't know this man from nowhere. I never see this man. Me only meet this man 1 hour business days. Me don't know nothing about them man. The man just tell me him name. Me don't remember what letter it start with. But as a little young girl, we just want bad. Running from me had so much time. My mother don't want me back down there. Me live for me home. Me live with my friend. My friend kicked me out her house. Me alone living in Jamaica. Me not have nothing, so me did have it. I suck up, me have to sell up my do my thing them for survive. So, me say, alright then, me will come to Antigua. So the when me say the man buy me the ticket, the man say man send me 1,000 US so me can shop and buy some clothes cause I be a bad suit me having in Antigua and be cause anytime I did that bleach, be a bad suit and be a little bleaching joggers and the thing them. So the man send me 1,000 US and say, me for take that go shop buy, do me ear, do me nails and get ready for come to Antigua and buy some clothes. You see when me see the man buy the ticket, me say, that really move me neither, because I probably buy my ticket for me come working at the club. Oh well, when I see the man send me the 1,000 US, I say, alright, the man is serious. I say, yeah, the man serious. Guys, I did go shopping. I don't know them, so when you really need money, it stress you out. And before you get the money, you sit down and you plan everything what you're going to do. You tell yourself, so you're going to pay your rent with this. You're going to I mean, alone do this before I get the money, I plan out what I'm going to do with the money. When I get the money yet, you know.
Yeah, man. So it's a girl who she's a girl who she's street smart. Yeah, man. So you can also say it's a girl where she not squander money. Yeah, man. If you listen to that part there. Yeah, man. Jano.
Me talking in my mind, say, alright, let I go buy food, let I go pay rent, you know. I pay my fare with that, and me go. But when the money come, the money done. Me forgot about everything when me say me da go buy down a yard. Me forgot about every bills that me I go pay down a yard. I spend the whole 1,000 US for shoes, clothes, ear, makeup, me buy. Me all like people tip, like me rich, like me make it just because me see the man send me the 1,000.
So she did squander a little bit tight. She did squander, let me talk too fast. She did squander a little bit tight. But she did pay like the necessary things over tight. And she squandered her rest. Who knows?
Anyway, now, moving forward, get the money and do the shopping and whatever. Fly go to Antigua. Reach before the man. When I see the man a come, you know, can't see the man a come, can't see the man a come. The man a take long, man flight delay, whatever. Me I get impatient because the hotel said me can't book it till 4 o'clock. Me reach way before 4 o'clock. Them not in the room ready, whatever. Anyway, now I see my phone start ring. The man a call me. The man a say, what me there? I say, I'm sitting at the front outside. Him say, I walk come down, but him not see me. I see a big skin man a walk, you know. But I refuse to tell myself that that is the man a come to me. And I sit down on the phone and I say, I don't see you, sir. And him said, what color you in? And I tell him, and him say, are you that? And I say, you sure see are you that I come? And so I see a man a walk and come. The man big. When I say big, me not talk just saying it big. Me mean B-I-G, big. Very big, large. Humongous or whatever the word name. Very, very big. Me start crying, living eye water. Me start
So money cars, yeah man, money cars, all of them is something there. Yeah? So we actually see where the story is actually going. Yeah? Based on our experience.
I never knew I could have scanned somebody. It's a sin for scanning. If I scan a body kind of more than a body, but I never know my skin could have trembled for somebody like that. Because one thing, don't get me wrong, you have thick people and you have fat people, but them carry themselves so good when you don't even realize that them fat. But this a man coming like him come from the back of the world. This a man coming like him come from the back of the world. The man come at the people them hotel, very, very huge, and him coming a crop top. Him coming a crop top. Cause any blouse or shirt will stop on your belly, a crop top. The man whole entire belly is flipping outside. Each time he walk, the belly a walk.
She traumatized. That is what she's actually saying. She's traumatized, brother. But I say, hey, she actually date over phone still though, you know. But you see the person, I like the person, and you know, you go at it. Yeah, man, but you know.
When the man lift up him hand, it's like this is Pluto, or this is Jupiter, and this is Mars. Or this is the whole United States, and then this maybe be Black Jamaica or something, I don't know, the man and them heavy. The man have a tall mustache. It's short, but it's full of white. Me don't know if him just eat something and it messed up. Me don't know how long it did it. Me don't know if it did it for 3 business days. Me don't know if it did it 1 hour ago. Me don't know if it did it over a year now. It white, and it not only white and look fresh, it look white and still it look like it dry. When him come closer now, the side eye mouth full of be white. Him ear is like a shiny bump, but not a really shiny bump. Start crying, live in high water. The man see me, and it's like the man stretch out him hand for hug me. Me da go give the man a soft hug. The man drag me can't breathe. Me start wonder if the man go and kill me. Start cry. The man ask me what me a cry for. Me just say me emotional, me a go through whole heap. The man tell me I could go eat some food. Me shame like that because in the direction where the man I go be a young hot boy. Be a young hot boy and hot girl. And me I tell us I look good and me and this big fat man I go in. You see if the man did act like him and my friend would enjoy myself, but the man want to walk and hold me by my side. The man want to walk and hold me by hand. The man want to walk and hold me around my hips. The man a show the whole of Antigua said me a feel, but me never like it. We got the table and we order one food. The man order 2 burger. The man could order 1 burger if you make it look the way. The man order 2 burger and 2 fries. You know how 2 different plates that I come. And then me I come with my 1 plate and my juice, and he might tell me say when I put on my food, I go back for your juice, because I can't walk, go back for your juice. Start cry, God. But that's not the worst part. When we're done everything now, I will go upstairs. We just meet the man, you know. The man that even say make him breeze me till tomorrow or next day. Me just meet the man. And when we reach upstairs, the man want bust out my little slippers, guys. Guys, me don't know, me could. Guys, as I could, me try, and me try over 10 times and it not work. The man tell me say, if me and him for go sleep, he give me $5,000. But the $5,000 is only good to be true. Because why a man just want to give me $5,000 for but him up my slippers? Me myself even think I'm good enough to get $5,000.
So money, the man I use the money to get him way through, eh? Shadow brother.
The time. So me overthink, me a overthinker, you know. One, me start thinking to myself, say, I wonder if the man have some sickness and him just want to give me it, God. And so me think, you know, me I think to myself, say, after some days the man I want pass on for me, make him want give me 5,000, something alright. Hey guys, what a beautiful people, it's you.
Yeah, man. So that was a very good story based on her experience. Yeah, man. Very good story, man. Yeah, man. So we can cut it there. So still, hope you guys actually can enjoy the story. Yeah, man. It was very entertaining, and well, it actually sad for know so well, you know, because a need of money, you know, cause her for end up in a situation like that. Yeah, man. But you know, you have to just, something you have to just better just try and work your shut off of your back and get things done yourself still, yeah, man. But sometimes I just how some people luck actually comes still, so who to tell, you know. Anyway, guys, you know, best upon yourself, you know, actually make it this far in the video. Yeah, man, give a thanks, do the right thing, you know. Yeah, man, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Yeah, man, do appreciate it. Yeah, man. So, until another video, guys. Yeah, man. Just hope you enjoy the reaction and all of these things. Yeah, man, it was the whole point of the video. Yeah, man. So, anyway, until the next video, guys. Yeah, man, just bless upon yourself and do the right thing, you know. One Gabidan Family TV. Yeah, man, that is it. Bless upon yourself and, yeah, man, do the right thing, you know. Yeah, man, I'm out. Bless up.